going down the list of stuff. Let's see. It says diapers, which I have, wipes, which I have, baby lotion, which I have, diaper rash cream, I have, extra onesies and pants, I have. It says pacifiers or distraction toys, and I have both. Channel, how y'all doing? Hope everyone's well. I am currently 37 weeks pregnant. Here's the bump. Boy. Here she is in all her 37 weeks of glory. Say hi, Belzy. We're getting induced tomorrow. Yeah, we're getting induced tomorrow. So labor and delivery vlog coming soon. But I thought that I just put together the bedside nursery card before she gets here. I read a couple stuff online as to like what to put on there, and I watched a couple of videos. So we're just gonna put on the list and see what works. Alright, so I have a bunch of diapers, and these diapers are from they're size 1s, but they're from why is my brain not working? They're from the samples. So yeah, I just pulled out of the samples because I'm sure that I'm gonna get diapers in the hospital as well, and also I don't know what size this is gonna be. So diapers. I also have some storage bags for milk for me, because I might be pumping in the middle of the night, or I might use my haka on one side while she's feeding on the other side. God's willing I get to breastfeed. So I'm gonna put that at the bottom of my cart, the very bottom of my cart. Let me move so y'all can see better. Okay, yeah, very bottom of my cart. Cool. My friend gave me some sassy bags, which I'm also gonna put at the bottom of my cart. Wow, there's a whole easy way to tear and not tore this damn thing open. I have tape somewhere. I can tape it back. Anyways, these are like, they're these little bags where when she poops in the middle of the night and I'm too exhausted to get out the bed and go put the diaper in the diaper pail, I can just put them in this, tie it up, and go back to sleep. So I'm gonna put this at the, I think I'm gonna put it at the middle shelf, honestly. Yeah, because this is probably gonna come in handy more than what I thought. So boom, that's going mid shelf. I have my breast pump and all my pump parts. I'm gonna put that at the bottom of the shelf. I think the bottom of the shelf is for me. If it will go in or not. Okay, so it fits in the middle shelf. So middle shelf it is, okay. Cool. I have me a little container just to like put her smaller stuff. So I have this to apply her butt paste. Who knows if I'll use it or not, whatever, I might use my hand. I have nipple cream for me, that could go in there. I have diaper balm by Earth's Mama that I'm putting in there. I also have the sample water wipes that I'm gonna just use. It's going in there. I read somewhere that says to put toys. So, oh shit. So, I'm gonna just put her soft toys. One toy in there. She has more, but for the sake of this, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I have the no sucker. Bella move because it's not for you. I have the no sucker. I have two. So there's one that I'm gonna put on diaper cart and one in her room, which we're in. So I'll put that in there. I have an electric nail file, but I also have like, oops, this thing right here, and it has like a feeding tube for she's sick, a thermometer, check her temperature, a nail clip, the no sucker too, and I'm guessing they're both no suckers. Oh no, this is to drop to like give her medicine. Yeah, this is to like clear her nose. Bella's looking at all these things because she thinks that they're toys for her. They're not for you. They're for Sissy when she gets here. So that I'm gonna put in here too. I'm gonna just lay that in the cart. There. I have Aveeno lotion. I have A&D ointment that's also going in here. This is just a little so I can see. I have Aquaphor diaper rash paste because again I want to use these off first, or maybe I'll put one in the diaper bag. Some boogie wipes, that's a 10. Again, these are from the samples and I like might as well use them, so I'm just gonna put them in there. The Mustela cleansing water, my big sissy Danielle, she has the spray, she swears by it, so I'm just gonna put that. I have another pacifier in here. There's two other pacifiers in her diaper bag currently that I'm taking to the hospital, but they might come in here. More Aquaphor ointment because again I got samples. I just have 2 books that I plan to read to her at night. I'm just gonna put it on the cart. Pretty sure it's gonna rotate. I have a hat that's going on the cart and some socks that I'm gonna put up here. But none of this is food. And I also have the wipe warmer because I figured if I'm changing her in the night, it might be better to do the wipe warmer for her to have warm wipes. I don't know. So that's going in the cart. Whew. I have to get up because I can't see. To arrange this cart. This wipe warmer is big. There we go. That works. Someone said put extra pair of clothes. I'm doing that. On here, just in case we have any accidents at night. We have birth cloths and swaddle blankets. That can go into here too. I have more hats, but nope. I have a fuzzy pair of socks for me. Just okay. Nursing pads for me. I have maxi pads they were gifted, so I'm just gonna put them in the cart. Wipes for me, and my pump parts, which I need to sterilize and stuff, but yeah, those are going on the cart. And I also have a mini fridge in my room. Not a mini fridge, that's a, you know, the beauty fridge, like the little really tiny fridge that you can put your beauty products in. I have one of those, and I'm going to stick it on my nightstand so that at night, if I do have milk, I can put it in there, it stays cool, and in the morning I can convert it. I saw that hack somewhere. So going down the list of stuff, let's see. It says diapers, which I have, wipes, which I have, baby lotion, which I have, diaper rash cream I have, extra onesies and pants I have. It says pacifiers or distraction toys, and I have both. It says bottle storage, which I do have, breast pump have, boppy, the boppy's already in the room. Sound machine, we have the Hatch, a bottle of water. I can put that. Lotion's on there. Books, see, books is on there. And if y'all know anything else that I should add to this, let me know. Like, I think that's everything I need for these nighttime changes or daytime changes when I don't feel like going nowhere. Bella is just sniffing away. I have a lovey, but I don't need her to use her lovey until she can breathe on her own and stuff. So there you have it. This is what is on my diaper cart. Again, please leave anything in the comments below that you think I'm gonna need to add to this to make my life easier. Yeah, I'm a first-time mom. I used to be a nanny, but again, I haven't done the newborn life in years, so everything is like still new to me. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I just wanted to share this with you, and I might do an update and let you guys know what I use, what I don't use, what works, what doesn't work. I'll look at your suggestions in the comments below and see what I added or what I didn't add. Alright, so if you guys are pregnant right now, congratulations. If you guys are moms, whether you're a first time mom like me or you're a second time or third time mom, you've been doing this, just leave that in the comments below and let me know how you're feeling and how old your baby is, and I will see you guys in my labor and delivery vlog. That should be interesting. I'm getting used, like I said, tomorrow. Don't know when I'm gonna post the other video, obviously, because it's newborn, blah blah blah. But yeah, I think the next video you see after this one should be my labor and delivery, or her nursery tour. I don't know. One's gonna come first. But wonderful to want to reach home. Wonderful. Call me. Call me to get home, so I know you're safe. Bye.